First of all, thank you for coming. Welcome all. Hmm? Good night, good afternoon, good morning. That depends where you are, the region where you are. Today, we're going to show you some important information, and you're going to see, we're going to give you, offer to you some additional tools to believe in yourself, believe in life, okay? Have a positive vision. We know after the crisis will come better times, right? So let's see together what picture we have today on the world, hmm, around the world. 85% of people work at home or don't work at all because of the confinement. But we need to think about future. What will happen tomorrow after the confinement, after the crisis? We need to be ready, okay, with the good information, the maximum information, and move on, move forward. So today we're going to talk about this crisis, and we're going to talk about the future. I hope you enjoy. Okay. First of all, my name is Antonio Miguel. Most of you know me already. I live in Paris, in France, with my family. We understand that with this particular activity and with a special business model, we can live from that, we can earn from that, and we can have a different lifestyle. That's the point. Okay. Have a better lifestyle, a better quality of life, a better future, a better safe economy safe, you know. So let's see today what we have on the world outside. Okay, what we have outside. We have crisis or we have opportunity. That's the good question. Some people gonna answer, "Oh, crisis, Antonio." No, other people gonna tell us, "Oh, this is an opportunity time." Both are right. If you think that's a crisis for you. For you, if you think that's an opportunity, you're gonna find opportunity. That depends of your mindset. Okay. So crisis in Chinese, crisis means opportunity. Okay, and I ban this word from my vocabulary. Any difficult situation, economic, health, whatever, we must understand that after this situation, how are we going to solve that situation? That depends of the way we see the problem, or that depends of the vision we have from that situation. Nothing else. Nothing about chance. Nothing about I don't have any chance in my life. All the problems comes to me. That's your mindset, not the world. The world, it's a magnificent place. The universe want to give you and offer you everything you need. The only thing you need to change is the mindset, the way you see the situations, any situation in your life. So, crisis for someone, opportunities for others. What kind of opportunities we have right now with the confinement? We have time, more time for the family, right? We have all the family at home. We have time for our kids, enjoy and play with them more time, more cool. We don't need to rush to go to the our our job, or we don't need to rush to open our business, a hotel business or coffee business, whatever you have. We don't need to rush. Why? Because everything is closed. Okay. Yeah. And most of the people, salary people, are in layoff. So we have more time for us, more time for our family, our special things we like, but normally we don't have time for that because we work 8, 10, 12 hours a day and travel in the morning and come back home at night 2, 3 hours, and then we need to dinner, and then we go sleep because we are tired. Right now you have the opportunity, one opportunity, to have more time with your family. If they are not close to you, in your place, you can call them via Skype, WhatsApp, Messenger, phone, okay? Whatever, Zoom, you can do everything because we have internet and we have social media and different apps to do that. Another opportunity is to make money with the online business, right? We have a computer or a tablet or a mobile phone and we have internet. Most of the people have internet. Hmm? So you can find opportunities online and develop your business. You can learn. You can follow e-learning. Hmm? You can follow trainings, special trainings, personal development, know yourself, hypnosis, uh, all kind of trainings you can find. So this is an opportunity for you. Let's talk about a second chance. Okay, the first part of your life was the first chance. Now with this crisis you have a second chance. What you gonna do? You're gonna do the same than the past 5, 10, 15 years, again and again and again, until you achieve the retirement age, and then you die. What kind of life you want for you? So about this point, price of opportunity, I'm gonna ask you, please, let's do this exercise, the first one of the day, with me, okay? How you see the world and the current situation. Take a paper and a pencil and notes. Write a list of 5 points. If you think that's a crisis, okay, note 5 points. Then you justify yourself as this is a crisis for you. And if you think that's an opportunity, note 5 points, positive opportunities you can find. Okay? So don't rush, just take a picture or take notes and how you see the world at the current situation. And a 5 point list for you. You don't need to share with anyone. Okay? If you want to share with your mentor or your sponsor or whatever, or with other people, that's okay, but that's not the point. Okay? Just for you. So let's see together the world today. You know, the world outside, it's an open door. But not everyone want to pass that door because traditional mindset, because our education, because we are afraid, because I don't know, some different points. Each people have his own reasons, but most of the time it's because we are afraid, to give the next step, to do the next step. So the economy world is changing. The way we start and develop business is changing. Now it's time for you to change too, because if you don't change, nothing in your life will change. So let's see some points about the current situation in the world. More than 25 million people out of work outside this year, 2020. 25 million people around the world don't have any job right now. Okay? That's not the black picture or rose picture, That's what we have. For the European country only. So imagine the number of billions of euros we need to accelerate the economy again. 1.4 billion euros. That's the help for the economy of the European countries only. 1.4 billion. Okay? Less 25% on the stock market, in the international stock market. Okay? All the actions, all the companies lose money. Okay? Lowest since the crisis of 28. Okay? 2008. 370 billions euros only for the aviation companies. That's a big number. 370 billion euros only to help the aviation companies. Okay, never see this in all time. That's the first time it happened. Okay, bankrupt economic sectors, tourism, auto, bars, hotels, coffees, all the small business in our city are in the red line. Okay, small and medium companies, self-employees, some professional like dentists, like some professionals, some professionals, they don't have job right now, but they have bills to pay. And the United Nations announced yesterday more than 285 million people will be under poverty status this year. 285 million people. So if you see this picture, that's a black picture, right? Very sad picture. If you don't change anything, you're gonna find in your life one of these points, okay? And your economy will struggle. So now you need to think differently. Okay, this is the situation. What we have the different opportunities. I'm gonna talk about the opportunity who saved my life economically, who give me the lifestyle I enjoy. Have time for my family, have time for myself, have time for my hobby, have time to travel around the world. The past 3 years, I travel around 67 different countries. Okay? Okay? More than 2 lives of normal people. Okay? That's what we have. That's the numbers. And that's my testimonial, of course. If you want to believe in this, okay. If you don't want to believe in this, no problem. Move forward with your life, okay. Continue like that. So one opportunity, that network marketing is only a simple opportunity to increase your income and create your own business without any big amount of capital. That's the network marketing. That's a democratic business because any person around the world can start a business on the network marketing and make money, make income, have a better life, okay, and help people. That's another point, another big point of this kind of activity, okay. So the network marketing is not the salvation, okay. Everybody go there and we're gonna be rich all. That's not the point. Some people think to have 2,000 euros a monthly, they are rich. Other people have 500 euros monthly. That's a good option. Other people, it's 500,000 euros a month. They are okay. So you see, but with the normal business, we don't have this opportunity. First, you need to put a lot of capital, then pray every day for your clients to come to your business. Okay, I hope tomorrow I have a better day, because if the clients don't come to your business, you close the door. Okay, and if you have a salary, who tell you your boss gonna pay you at the end of the month? Nobody give you that guarantee. Nobody. Okay, nobody. You can work all month, and at the end of the month, the company shut down. No salary. That's the reality. Today, more than ever. So, the network marketing is not the salvation, but it's the big opportunity for you to increase income, and then with that extra income, you can plan with good financial education, you can plan your future. invest in this area, this sector, okay? But to buy actions on the stock market, buy gold in an online company or in a bank or whatever. What we have as a support for you, we have already ready for you an educational system. The educational system are tools, team support, and activities online or in the field. That's the three major points of the educational system. Then you have your appliance, the sponsorship team. You have the team, the organization, the group to support you. With all the leaders around the world, you can count on that. That's the team support. Okay? And you need to pick up a maximum of information. Okay? The difference between the best results and the difference between don't have any results at all, it's the information you can have, the information you can accumulate. Okay, so more information you have about gold, more information you collect about ECM, more information you will check on the social media, on the internet, on the website, on the YouTube channel of the team and the company about GIG, more strong you are. Okay, more information, more books you read, more videos you check, more trainings, more presentation, more times you come to this online presentation and trainings, more information you accumulate in your brain. More information give you more options, and more options give you more results. Your life will change today. Why? Because you have now more information than yesterday. You have now more information than yesterday. You don't gonna see the world the same. That's true. You don't see things and the world with the same vision, the same eyes, because you have more information right now. Okay, so pick that information, learn everything you need to learn, take the decision, and move forward. Our mission with you for the next few days, it's accompany you on your journey. Okay, follow you step by step on your journey. That's our mission. You can count on us if we can count on you. So, gratitude for your time and attention. Thank you for your time, and see you very soon. Bye-bye.